Yo, hello guys, and welcome back again to another WordPress tutorial. In this video I will be showing you how you can actually group blocks in WordPress. So what is block and how you can actually make them group them or make them in one block? All of that I will show you in this video. So let's start with this video by going to dashboard. This dashboard will allow you to do a lot of stuff. So for those who doesn't know how to open it, go to wordpress.com/wp-admin, and from there you will be able to open this page. So now what you will have to do, go to here. Now I will show you how this page, how the dashboard will be open for you. So this is how it will be open for you. You have to put your username and then password. If you don't have an account, please make sure that you create an account and get a domain name so you link it with your website. Now this dashboard will be opened. So let's go, for example, to a post here, and let's create a new post. Now from here I will click on edit with Elementor, and this page will load a little bit and then will be open for us. So basically, what is a block for us? A block using Elementor is this one in here. For example, if we click on plus here, it will give us all of these options, how to make one block, two blocks, three blocks, and separately. Of course, even if we create this six blocks, it is still in one block, unless, for example, we created something like that. These are separated blocks. But again, once more, if you did something like that, which is clicking on the first block, which is let's make it like that. So for example, this block we clicked on add, and from this block we clicked on 6. They will be all in the same block. For example, if you edited one, the other will not be edited, but if you deleted the whole block, the whole stuff that you have made in here, they will be removed. So let's say, for example, we added here a picture, we've added here I don't know, a heading, and we've added, I don't know, intersection, and we've kept doing it over and over and over. So basically, if I edited this thing here, these whole other blocks will not be affected. If I clicked in here and I remove the text, these whole blocks again will not be affected. If I deleted this one, the whole block will not be affected. But if I remove the whole block, they all are gonna be deleted. So yeah guys, that's how you can actually group blocks together. So thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.